Imagine being able to build a high-end, fully animated website, something that looks like a premium AI startup landing page without writing a single line of code. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using Readdy AI. We'll take a simple idea and turn it into a stunning website with a cinematic video background, smooth animations, modern UI, and clean structure, all generated and customized step by step. You'll see how to design, edit, and refine every section, add interactive elements, and even create new pages, all just by using simple prompts. By the end of this video, you'll have your own professional-looking website that feels like it was built by an entire design team. So if you want to build something like this, clean and without touching code, this is going to be a game changer. Let's get started. So guys, here we are on Readdy's official website. Readdy is the all-in-one platform that we use to go from an idea or even just a prompt to a fully working app that's ready for the real world. It's an advanced platform that's trusted by major companies like Adobe, TikTok, Samsung, and many others. Now, getting started is super easy. All you need to do is open the first link down below in the description box of this video and sign up for a Readdy account. Once you're in, you'll see this page, and here in the center, we have the main input box where you can simply describe the kind of app or website you want to build. Right below that, you'll also notice a set of templates you can choose from. So if something already matches your idea, you can start from there instead of building everything from scratch. Now, besides prompting or using templates, Readdy AI actually gives you a couple of really powerful extra options. The first one is the URL import feature. This lets you clone almost any website on the internet just by pasting its link. For example, I'll grab the URL of this website, the Awards official website, then head back into Readdy AI, paste it right here, and hit send. And within about a minute, it generates a brand new version of that site. And honestly, it doesn't just copy it, it actually improves it. The design looks cleaner, the colors feel more polished, the typography is better, everything just looks more refined. It's seriously impressive. Now, the second option is the business card feature, which is also really cool. If you already have a business card, all you have to do is upload an image of it right here, add a short description, and hit send. Give it a few seconds. And just like that, it builds a complete website based on your information. As you can see, it generated a full web developer portfolio with all the essential sections, clean layout, proper structure, and everything you'd normally need to get started. This is what makes Readdy so powerful. It's not just another website builder. It's an AI web designer that understands your ideas and transforms them into real, functional web projects. Now, before we dive into the main part of today's video and start building our app from scratch, let me show you one of the most powerful features inside Readdy AI, especially if you're running an agency. On the left panel, you'll find something called Outreach Campaign. This completely changes how agencies get clients. Instead of manually reaching out to people one by one, you can scale your outreach using AI. Let me show you how it works. First, you upload a list of prospects. This can be companies, websites, or emails you want to target. Then, Readdy uses AI to generate a fully personalized website for each lead, not a template, a custom website tailored specifically to each business. So if you upload 50 leads, you get 50 personalized websites. Next, you set up your email flow. And this is where it gets really powerful. The AI writes personalized outreach emails for every single lead, referencing their business and linking directly to their custom site. So instead of saying, hey, we build websites, you're saying, hey, I already redesigned your website. Here it is. That's a completely different level of outreach. And the best part, everything is automated. Readdy generates the websites and sends the emails for you at scale. What used to take hours or even days now happens in minutes. And if you're running an agency, this is incredibly powerful because you're delivering value before the client even replies. All right, now it's time to jump into the main part and create a SaaS landing page. I've already prepared a full detailed prompt for this tutorial, and I've also included the link to all the prompts that I'm going to use in this video. And you can find that link down below in the description box of this video. But if you have your own app idea that you want to create, you can use AIs like ChatGPT to help you craft a detailed prompt. Just describe your core design and functionality ideas. Explain what your app does, how it should look, and what kind of experience you want to deliver. Then ask the AI to turn that into a structured, professional prompt for you. Now our prompt says, create a high-end futuristic AI SaaS landing page for a brand called EtherOS with a pure black background, cinematic design, and smooth animations. Then we've gone ahead and described all the details of our website, like the hero section and everything else. But before we actually run this prompt, there's one important thing we need to do. For the hero section, we're asking for a background video. So inside this input box, we need to provide the source of that video so the AI can access it and use it as the background. To do that, we need to host the video online using tools like Amazon Web Services or Vercel, and then paste the public URL right here. For this tutorial, I'm going to use Vercel since it's free and really easy to use. Now for this design, I'll be using a video that I generated using an image-to-video AI tool. You can use any video you want, but if you want to use the same one, I'll include it in the prompt so you can access it too. And if you want to create your own version for your brand, you can use AI tools like MiladiCode AI. It's an AI video generation tool that can turn ideas, text, or images into fully animated videos in just a few clicks. Just head over to the Magic Light dashboard, select the image to video option, and upload the image you want to animate. I'll also share the same image I'm using. You can find it in the description. Next, describe the kind of animation you want. In my case, I'm going for a flowing light effect, something subtle and cinematic. Once that's done, choose an AI model. First, I'll try the Kling AI model, set the resolution to 1080p, and generate the video. All right, the results are ready, and they actually look pretty cool. But the issue is, it's not a proper looping animation, which is really important for a background. So let's try again with another model. This time I'll switch to VO 3.1, keep the resolution at 1080p, disable the sound since we don't need it, and re-upload the image. Let's generate it again. And yeah, this one looks much smoother and works perfectly as a looping background for our hero section. Now all that's left is to upload this video to Vercel, get the public URL, and paste it into our prompt so the AI can use it directly in our website. All right, so to do that, just head over to Vercel and create a free account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to the left sidebar and navigate to the storage section. Here you'll see an option that says Create Database. Click on that and then select the blob option. Now just hit Continue, and here we need to configure our storage. Give your blob store a name, choose a region, and most importantly, make sure to set it to public so we can access the file via a URL. Perfect. Now our blob store is ready to go. Next, open it up, and from the bottom right corner, you'll see the upload button. Click that, select your video file, and upload it. Once the upload is complete, you'll see your file listed inside the storage. It also gives you a public URL for that file. So go ahead and copy that URL, head back to your prompt, and paste it right into the video source section. And just like that, we're done with the hardest part. The rest of the prompt already defines all the sections, layout, and design details. So now all we need to do is copy the entire prompt, go back into Readdy AI, and paste it into the input box. On top of that, I'm also going to add a reference design to guide the AI even better. So I'll just upload the image here as well. And that's it. Let's hit send. Readdy immediately starts analyzing our prompt, and it automatically generates the section structure that our app will be built from. But remember, you're in full control. You can add new sections, remove the ones you don't need, rename them, or even reorder them to better fit your project's flow. Once everything looks good, just hit the next button to continue. And now Readdy AI begins generating a logo that you can use for your app. You can regenerate a new one if you're not happy with the result, or even upload your own logo directly from your device. It's completely up to you. When I click the next button again, Readdy AI starts the full generating process. And there we go. It's done generating, and we have our website ready. Let me go ahead and open this in full screen. All right, first impression, the structure looks really clean and well organized. Everything is nicely laid out, but there are a couple of things I want to tweak. First, there's this overlay on top of the background video in the hero section. It's making the video look a bit dim, so I'm going to reduce or remove that to make it pop more. Second, I want to add a bit of spacing between the hero section and the dashboard showcase. Right now, it's completely flush, and a little margin will make the transition feel much cleaner. Now let's quickly scroll through the rest. The features section looks solid, clean grid, minimal cards, highlighting key capabilities like automation and workflows. Then in the AI workforce section, this part is really nice. The layout is clean, and that animated UI on the right showing tasks in real time adds a very premium feel. And at the bottom, we've got a strong call to action followed by a clean footer with all the essential links. Overall, this is a really solid foundation, just a few small tweaks and it's next level. Now to remove the overlay from our background video and add some spacing to the next section, all I need to do is head back into Readdy AI and simply describe the changes I want. Just like that, Readdy takes care of everything automatically. And this is where it gets even more powerful. Prompts aren't the only way to edit your website. At the bottom, we have this Selector option, which lets you directly target any element or section on your page. You can modify it, remove it, change links, or even view the full code for that specific part. So right now, I've selected the entire dashboard showcase section, and I want to change its background color. I'll just type something like, set the background of the selected section to white and make sure the overall design matches this color. Hit send, and within seconds, Readdy updates the design automatically. Now I'll apply the same change to the AI workforce section. I just enable the selector again, target the section, paste the same prompt, and hit send. And there we go, that already looks much cleaner. But this is where things get really interesting. Readdy isn't just editing layouts, it can apply advanced design effects with simple prompts. You can add animations, scroll effects, text transitions, even 3D interactions. For example, I want to add a 3D hover effect to these feature cards. So again, I use the selector, target the grid container, and type, for these feature grid cards, add subtle 3D hover effects with a glowing animation. Hit enter. And just like that, now each card has a smooth 3D lift and glow on hover. Inside the Readdy AI editor, there's another really powerful feature that I want to introduce, and this one is especially useful if you want to expand your app by adding new sections or even full pages. So for example, we have this Start Building button, which right now is just a mock-up. If a user clicks it, nothing really happens. But if I click on it here in the editor, you'll notice this option that pops up, Continue to Generate. So I'll go ahead and select that. And now we get an input box where we can describe what should actually happen when someone clicks this button. For example, you could say, show a pop-up with more details, or create a completely new page for this section. In my case, I'm going to say, create a separate page for this section of the website. Now I'll hit create. And there we go, it's done. Now when I click on that button, it actually takes us to a fully generated page. It's really well structured. On the left, we have a strong headline with key highlights like deployment, security, and integrations, followed by a testimonial for credibility. On the right, there's a clean form where users can select a plan and enter their details quickly. So essentially, Readdy just turned a simple button into a fully functional conversion page, which is exactly what you'd want in a real product. All right, now let's say you've built your front end and you want to take it a step further by adding a back end or even a payment system to your project. Readdy AI has you covered there as well. At the top of the editor panel, you'll find a tools section where you can access several powerful integrations. For example, you can connect Supabase to handle your backend or Stripe to set up payments. There's also the Readdy agent, which is perfect for adding customer support to your website. You just click add, and within a minute, the AI agent is fully integrated into your project. Users can interact with it to ask questions about your services, get help, or even book appointments. And as you can see here, it also supports voice interaction. Users can simply tap the microphone icon to speak instead of typing.
Hi, this is EtherOS. I'm your scheduling assistant calling about the request you submitted on our website. Is now a good time to talk?
It's really impressive how Readdy AI manages to integrate this level of functionality so seamlessly. Everything feels smooth, responsive, and ready for real-world use straight out of the box. Now, if you want to customize your AI agent, just head over to the agent settings. Here, you'll find the global prompt, which acts as the knowledge base your agent is connected to. Essentially, this is where your agent learns everything it needs to know about your app. As you can see, Readdy AI has already generated an initial knowledge base automatically based on the information it has about our project. You can easily expand on it, adding as many details as you'd like to make your agent smarter and more context-aware. Below this box, we have a few more options like changing the language of your agent. You can also add FAQs to help your AI answer faster and more accurately. Now, right below, we have this toggle button that lets us turn on or off new appointment email notifications that you receive. On the left panel, we also have 3 data tables for our agent and book sessions. The first one is the Appointments tab. This is where every single appointment made through your agent will appear. For example, the session we just booked is listed right here. Next, we have the Leads tab, which displays all the leads your agent has captured, a great way to keep track of potential clients or users who've interacted with your app. Finally, the Form tab lets us create and manage website forms to collect visitor info and view all submissions directly inside Readdy. Here's something really exciting, especially if you're a developer. Readdy AI actually gives you full access to the source code of everything you build here. So you're not locked into the platform. You can view the code, download it, and use it in your own projects however you want, whether you want to customize it further, integrate it into an existing app, or deploy it on your own stack. You have complete control. So it's not just a no-code tool, it's also a powerful starting point for real development. Once your app is ready for the real world, you can easily publish it too. You can connect your own custom domain if you already have one, or even purchase a new domain. Alternatively, you can publish your app on Readdy's domain and make it live instantly, literally with a single click. And the best part is, whenever you make updates or improvements to your website, you don't need to redo everything. Just hit the update button and Readdy will automatically push your latest changes to the live version of your app. All right, so that's it for this video. We started from a simple idea and turned it into a fully designed AI landing page with smooth animations, a cinematic video background, interactive elements, and even multiple pages, all powered by Readdy AI and just a few simple prompts. And I've got some good news for you. You can use the code MiladiCode to get 20% off any plan, but it's limited to the first 100 users, so if you're planning to try it, now's the time to jump in before it's gone. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know what you want to build next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.